So this is to touch bases regarding the PyTart. So what I do is I copy, because I update the numbers here on this pie chart on the 2018 current sellers, because it's easier here to get the information. So after updating it, I just copy and then paste it on the 2018 transaction tracker. Okay. Total means here it means for the whole year. It includes the live ones, those one in escrow, coming soon and closed. So that's what it means in total. And also there are few listings that I cannot find I think the right one for them. I just have a question for this one, for 1625 Camp Baker. I'm not sure which one is the right one here. I mean, these are all right, but there's a referral source which is BNI, and then ISA expired, so I'm not sure which one is. And also referral. When it says referral, I'm not sure what it means. So if it's a referral, do I put agent referral in there, or it's another referral, like referral from other persons? Not sure what referral mean here exactly. Also for the radio, since we have a lot of properties listed under the Pomeroy River Estate, so there's 4 live from Pomeroy River Estate. There's 4 ones, and then I think also this one and this one are from Pomeroy River Estate. So this one is the biggest one because of the subdivision. And for Sydney, it says Top Southern. I tried looking for it in the 2018 new sellers right here. 2018 new sellers, but I wasn't able to find that one there for Sydney. So if you could help me correct that, would be great. And also, I'm not sure what it means by spear or Jared spear. So I have I put one section here, or one category, which is a spear. So this one is Jared's spear, so I'm not sure if this is right. Okay, please help me correct this one as well. For coming soon, another referral in there. I'm not sure where to put that referral, if it's agent referral or just a regular referral. And BNL for this Reddit chat, search in Google. I mean, in RealGeeks, it says it came from Google search. So I'm not sure that's right. So I can put Google in there. But just to make sure, I want to ask you first. And BNI. Also, I'm not sure what BNI is. And Julie Abel. I think he's a lawyer. I'm not sure where to put that in there. If it's a regular referral or an agent referral from coming soon. So those are my questions. So if you could help me with those ones, I think this one is will be pretty good. We have 39 listings in total in terms of for the live, the ones in escrow, coming soon, and closed. We have a total of 39. Currently, we have 16 lives. We have 6 in escrow. We have 3 coming soon, and we have 14 sold so far. So if those numbers are wrong, please let me know so I can try looking for the error here in the spreadsheet. Okay, and if there's any changes that you want to make here, just let me know. Thank you.